How to download and install Epson ES-400 driver. To download and install the Epson ES-400 driver, you need to follow these steps. Visit the official Epson website and go to the support page for the Epson Workforce ES-400 scanner. Click on Downloads and select your operating system, such as Windows 11, Windows 10, or another one. Expand the drivers section and click on the download button for the drivers and utilities combo package installer. This will download a file named epson633555eu.exe to your computer. Run the file and follow the instructions to install the driver and the software for your scanner. You may need to restart your computer after the installation is complete. Connect your scanner to your computer using a USB cable and turn it on. You should be able to use your scanner with the Epson ScanSmart software or other compatible applications. For more details, you can check Epson Workforce ES-400 Support Epson US. This is the official support page for the Epson Workforce ES-400 scanner, where you can find the driver and the software for your device.